Dravya Guna Vijnana, Class 1. So, the topics here we discuss are Dravya Guna Shastra Paribhasha, Lection of Sapta Padhartha of Dravya Guna Vijnana, that is Dravya, Rasa Guna, Virya, Vibhaga, Prabhava and Karma. So, the word Dravya Guna, which is composed of two words, Dravya and Guna. So, Dravya Guna is composed of two words, Dravya and Guna. And what is Dravya Guna? Systemic study of Guna, that is a property of Dravya. And Karma or actions of Dravya. So these are the topics included under Dravya Guna. Now, Susruta mentions Dravyani Punaraushadayaha. So, in the context of Ayurvediya, Dravya Guna Shastra, Dravya Guna Shastra in Ayurveda, Dravya referred to Karya Dravya, that is the Aushadhi Dravya. So, Dravya means Dravya Karya, that is the Aushadhi Dravya. Dravyas are Ahara and Aushadha form. Hence, Chakrapani classified the drugs based on utilization into two main groups, Ahara Dravya and Aushadha Dravya. So, Dravya, Chakrapani mentions Dravya as Ahara Dravya and Aushadha Dravya. So, what is the basic difference between the two groups? The dosage of the drug. That is, in Ahara Dravya, drug can be taken in higher dose. Even in high dose, we can take the Dravya. But in Aushadha Dravya means Dravya is given in a smaller dose or according to the dosage. Guna Shabdena Cheha Dharma Jina Rasa Virya Vibhaga Prabhavaha Sarva Eva Grahandyade. Chakrapani mentions the term Guna here indicates and includes Guna, Rasa, Virya, Vibhaga and Prabhava. Now definitions of Dravya Guna Shastra. Even though Dravya Guna is not mentioned in the Ashtanga of Ayurveda, Narahari Pandita, the author of Raja Nikandu, explained Dravya Guna as the first branch of Ayurveda among the Ashtangas. Dravya, Abhidhana, Gada Nishchaya Kaya Saukyam, Shalyadi Bhuda Visha Nigraha, Bala Vaidyam, Vidyat, Rasayana Varam, Drida Hedu Mayuhu, Srude, Dvichaduranga Mahaha Shambhu. So this reference clearly reflects the importance of Dravya Guna Shastra. Dravyanam Guna Karmani Prayoga Vividhas Tatha Sarvasho Yatra Varnayande Shastram Dravya Gunam Hi Tad. So, Dravya Guna is the knowledge of properties, that is a guna, and proper application of drug as well. Everything related to drug is called Dravya Guna. Everything, Sarvasho, related to Dravya Guna. Related to drug is called Dravya Guna. Dravyam is having the inherent relation with treatment and praised its importance after the doctor. Pancha Padartha of Dravya Guna. Bhava Misra, author of Bhava Prakasha Nikandu, quotes 5 Padartha, that is the Pancha Padartha, which reside in a Dravya. Dravye, Raso Guno Vidyam, Vibhagaha, Shakti Revacha, Padartha Pancha Tishtandi, Swam Kurvandi Karmacha. So, Pancha Padarthas according to Bhava Misra are Rasa, Guna, Virya, Vibhaga and Prabhava or Shakti. These take shelter in Dravya and perform their respective karma. Now, Sapta Padarthas of Dravya Guna. Professor Yadavji Trikamchi Acharya adds Dravya and Karma to Pancha Padarthas and thus refer to Sapta Padartha. So, we already saw the Pancha Padartha plus Dravya and Karma refer to Sapta Padartha. So, Dravya, Rasa, Guna, Virya, Vibhaga, Prabhava are the Sapta Padarthas. And these 7 constitute for the fundamental basis for understanding Dravya, its mode of action, therapeutics. In-depth knowledge of these 7 basic principles help in practical utility. Now, definition of Dravya. Yatra asridaha karma guna karanam samavayi yat Dravya. So Dravya is a substance that shelter, karma or action, guna or property, and this maintain a samavaya sambandha with karma and guna. So examples of Dravya are Amalagi, Kudoji. Definitions of guna. Samavayi to nischeshtaha, karanam gunaha. Guna takes shelter in Dravya and it remains a samavaya sambandha with Dravya. Guna is the asamavayi karan of karma, and here guna refer to the physical property of substance. For example, ushna, hot, shida, cold, etc. Now guna, basic property or quality. So which are the guna? Sartha, gurvadhayo, buddhihi, prayatnanda, paradayaha, gunaha prokta. That is, 41 types of guna are sartha, sense objects, 5. Shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasagandha, gurvadaya, 20. Guru lagu, shida ushna, snigdha ruksha, manda tikshna, stira sara, mrudu kadina, vishada pichila, selekshana khara, stula sushma and sandra drava. Buddhihi prayatnanda, 6. Buddhi, icha, dvesha, sukha dukha, prayatna. And paradayaha, 10. Parabaratva, yuktischa, sankhya, samyoga, vibhaga, prudaktva, parimana, samskara and abhyasa. Origin of rasa, taste sensation. Rasanartho, rasastasya, dravyamabaha, kshidihi tada. Nivruttau cha visheshe cha pratyayaha, ghadayaha, trayaha. So rasa or taste is the object of the gustatory sense organ, that is the tongue, rasana. Source element for its manifestation are apa, that is a Jala Mahabodha, and Kshidi, Prithvi Mahabodha. Variation and taste are caused due to the other Mahabodha like Gha, Agasha, Vayu and Agni. So Vishesha Nivrattau due to Agasha, Vayu, Agni. Shad rasa swaduramlo adhalavanaha kadugaha tikta evacha kashayashchedi shadko ayam rasanam sangraha smrdaha. So madhura sweet, amla also, lavana salty, kadu pungent, tikta bitter and kashaya astringent is the shad rasa. So this is rasaha, that is Ashtanga Hridaya mentioned, rasaha, swadamla lavana, tikta oshana, kashaya gaha shad. Swadu is madhura sweet, ambla sour, lavana salt, tikta bitter, ushna kadu or pungent, kashaya is estrogen, shad rasas. Vibhaga or taste after digestion. Jadarena agnina yogat yadudedi rasandaram rasanam parinamande sa vibhaga idi smrida. Change in the taste of the substance that occur at the end of the digestion. Rasandaram, by the association of the Jadaragni is called as Vibhaga. Tridha Vibhago Dravyasya Swadu Amla Kadugatmagaha. Vibhaga refer to the conversion of the taste after initial phase of digestion. Madhura Vibhaga, sweet. So sweet and salt taste undergo Madhura Vibhaga. Amla Vibhaga, sour. Amla Rasa undergo Amla Vibhaga. Kadu Vibhaga, that is rust. That is a kadu, tikta kashaya, undergo kadu vibhaga. So these are the vibhaga, madhura, madhura vibhaga, madhura lavana rasa, amla, amla rasa, kadu, kadu tikta kashaya rasa. Virya or potency. According to Charaga, Charagatvaha, Viryam tat kriyade yena ya kriya, na Viryam kurude, kinchit sarva virya kridahisa. So virya is that property through which action is made possible. No action is possible without virya. And all action are affected by virya only. Ushna Sheda Gunotkarsha, Tatra Viryam Dvita Smrita. So Ushna Virya, some food items are hot in nature, for example, pepper. And Shida Virya, so this is Dvivida Virya Hadam. Ushna Virya, and second is Shvida Virya, cold potency. Some food items are cold in nature, for example, milk. Ashtavida Virya, Viryam Puna. Vatyandeke Guru, Snigdam Himam, Mrudulago, Ruksha Ushna Tikshnam Chatadevam Madam Ashtada. So some opines the Ashtavida Virya. So these are the Ashtavida Virya Vadam. Guru, Lagu, Snigda Ruksha, Hima Ushna, Mrudu, Tikshna. Prabhava or special effect. Rasadi Samye Yad Karma Vishishtam Tat Prabhavajam. Special action of a substance when the rasa and others are of equal strength is called as the prabhava. രസവീര്യ വിഭാഗാനാം സാമാന്യം യത്ര ലക്ഷ്യത്തെ വിശേഷഃ കർമ്മണാം ചൈവ പ്രഭാവഃ തസ്യ സസ്മൃതഃ. So in cases where in spite of similarity in rasa, virya and vibhaga, there is a difference in action or karma. This difference is called due to prabhava or the specific potency. Examples: Dandi rasadyehi tulyana abhi chitragasya virechani madhugasya cha mridviga gridam kshirasya deepana. Though Dandi is identical with Chitraga in respect of rasa etc., Dandi is a purgative. Though Madhuka is identical with Mridvika in respect of rasa etc., Mridvika is a purgative. Virechana. Virechani. Though Grida is identical with Kshira in respect of rasa etc., Grida kindle digestion. So Grida is Deepana. Characters of Rasavirya Vibhaga. Raso nibhade drevyanam vibhagaha karma nishtaya viryam yavat tadivasan nibhada cha ubalebhyade. So rasa is perceived by how? Rasa nibhada drevyanam, by the contact with the body. Drevya contact with the body, especially particularly tongue. Rasana. Vibhaga is perceived by karma nishtaya, final effect on body. Virya is comprehended by the action exerted during the period from the administration till excretion of the drug. Karma. Actions. Prayatnadi karma cheshtidam uchyate. Movement initiated by the prayatna, that is the effort is called karma or action. And 5 types of karma are Udkshepana, Avakshepana, Prasarana, Akunchana and Gamana. And Samyogecha Vibhagecha Karanam Drevyamasridam Kartavyasya Kriya Karma Karma na Anyat Abhekshade. Karma is the factor responsible for Samyoga or association and Vibhaga or dissociation of Drevya. Karma of Drevya is accomplished by Rasadi Panchaka, that is a Rasa Guna Virya Vibhaga and Prabhava itself. For example, Deepana. Example for karma, Deepana. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.